Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Nitish and today in this video I'm going to tell you about 5 awesome MI Band 6 features that you don't know about. And not only this, now you can use your MI Band 6 as a flashlight also. And this feature has been added recently, so make sure you stick until the end of the video to know more about these 5 awesome features and the flashlight feature. So let's get started. So Xiaomi rolled out an update to improve sleep tracking and let user reply to text messages in May 2020. And now in the latest firmware update, Xiaomi has rolled out another useful feature, and now you can use your MI Band 6 as a flashlight. So let's get started with the number 1 feature, that is the flashlight feature. So now your MI Band 6 can function as a flashlight, and to use this feature you just have to update your fitness band, and after that you will get a flashlight feature to turn on and off, and then your MI Band 6 display will light up in white color, and this will work as a flashlight. While the level of the brightness is not like torch, but it is good enough to use it as a flashlight. And now moving on to number 2, which is the automatic workout detection. Now in your busy schedule, when you go out for a walk or while you are doing any sport activity, you don't always remember to turn on your tracking activity. So now in the MI Band 6, you don't have to remember to turn on workout detection manually. With the latest upgrade in the MI Band 6, it will automatically detect activities and will allow you to give notification to turn on the sports mode while you are doing any activity. And this is really interesting. You can enable this feature by going on to settings and select detect activity. Now moving on to number 3, which is the smart DND feature. So setting up do not disturb feature from 10 to 7 in the morning doesn't really work for me. So thanks to MI Band 6, the new smart DND feature, which will automatically detect when your band is not on your wrist, and it will not vibrate on notification, and it will also stop monitoring your heart rate while you are sleeping, and this will save your battery also. So this is really an amazing feature from the MI Band. Screen wake up. Sometimes you accidentally touch your screen at night and it lightens up, and this may disturb you, but now with MI Band 6, it has a screen wake up feature which will let you change wake screen gestures from tap to swipe up. So now after turning on this feature, your screen will wake only if you swipe up. Workout history. With the MI Band 6, you can now view your workout history right from your band. Previously, if you wanted to view your workout data, you need to open the MI Fit app or the Xiaomi companion workout app. But now, workout history can be found in the main menu. You can of course view much richer data from within the MI Fitness app, and this will give you history of your all workout data right on your band. So guys, that's it for now. If you enjoyed this video, then do hit the like button, and do let me know in the comment section below that which MI Band feature you like the most. You can buy the MI Band 6 from the link in the description box below. And here is the good news, I am giving away a brand new MI Band 6 to one random lucky winner subscriber. And to participate in this, you just have to subscribe to my channel, like and share this video, and you have to follow me on Instagram and Twitter, and the winners will be announced on my Twitter account. So stay tuned, and I'll catch you in the next video. Till then, take care and stay safe.